Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your headphones JBL Live 300 TWS with using your phone. So basically, to charge it, you should have a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or maybe micro USB to USB-C. So they can connect the first cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. Now we can open it, and right here at the bottom we have a LED lights and it flashing, so it means that headphones is charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!